Welcome, everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do on this episode is talk about Cornucopias. So, this is a gaming project, and it is also multi-chain. So, not just available for those of you that like Cardano, but you can also pick up this token on Base with Binance Smart Chain, etc. So, guys, if you get something out of this, like, comment, subscribe. What are your thoughts on Cornucopias? So I haven't done a video on this in quite a bit, but what I'm looking at right now are opportunities. So keep in mind, nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. You're listening to a loose moose. So right now the market is exploding, I would say. Bitcoin back around 95.5. We're at basically a $3 trillion market cap. April 25th, 2025. And right now we're looking for opportunity. So as Bitcoin continues to grow, to balloon, what are other opportunities in the space? Okay. So I did a video recently as well. I did a video. It's called How to Invest in Crypto. How to make money with crypto. You probably want to watch this one. How to make money with crypto. Not only because it only has 21 views. It was posted last night. But I took my time with it. And I give you guys like an opportunity to get a simple understanding of investing in crypto. Understanding that there are things that you should avoid typically, like the memes, trying to chase 1000x, and then finding things that have a good risk to reward. And one of those is Cornucopias. Guys, this game has been building and developing. It looks phenomenal. Personally, I like the team. I like everybody involved. So I'm not sponsored by them. They don't pay me anything. I just like talking about this project, and I invest in their tokens. I own some of their nodes. So what we're talking about is Cornucopias, the game, right? So what I like a lot about this is that the market cap for sure is super low. I believe this project has a lot of potential, but what they're doing, right? Multiplayer open world game set in an alternative universe where humanity thrives above the earth in ruin. So guys, COPI token is a token that you can invest in, but they also have other assets. So let's say you want to build in the game, well, you can pick up a piece of land, right? So I have links to help you with that. Here are their file nodes. So if you want, you can even pick up one of these. You can check it out with their website. You can link everything with your wallet, and you can begin to earn with your nodes. So there's a way that you can earn tokens that way as well. So let's put in Cornucopias. I haven't covered them in a bit. So prices are depressed. So I like talking about projects, especially investing wise, like potentials, when the price is low. This project is still good. Nothing bad has happened with this project. So if anything, this project keeps developing. And look at this. You can get a small rare piece of land. You can own a piece of land in the game. And it's like 130 ADA. When NFTs come back, I think these are going to do extremely well. So they also have domes. I like those. If you guys want, you can head over to the link tree. So down in the description below, you can check that out. I also have tons of videos on Cornucopias in general. So let's go to that. What I'll do is go here, Cornucopias. Let's go to cornucopias.io. Comment down below, what are your thoughts on COPI? So this is the main website. It looks a lot better in person. It's just through the screen recording, it gets a little messed up. But guys, everything is built by their own team. And look at the graphics. So I got to play this when I was in Vegas. I went to Rare Evo. I met the team. And guys, moving around in this game, it's huge. It's absolutely massive. So those are the bubble jets. But guys, building in a game like this is what I'm talking about if you're looking at something in the gaming space, in the gaming narrative, right? So you have all these other games in crypto. Let's take a look at the game. So if we go to gaming, let's see, we got Immutable X for the Sandbox, right? Sandbox, almost $1 billion in market cap. It's going to get there eventually. Decentraland. Cornucopias looks better, in my opinion, than all these games. And the market cap is super low. So, in my opinion, Cornucopias is the place you want to be looking at. Because what I like a lot about it is the transparency. So this team, and I've been following them for so long, this team continues to share what they're building, right? So right now you can begin to play the game. You just got to download the game. You can play everything that they have going on. I use a Mac, so it's not really available for me to play right now, but hopefully that'll change. So the racing game seems pretty sweet. I'm more excited about the open world, but like, guys, look at the graphics of this game. Let's actually go like this. Like, are you kidding me? So this is pre-alpha jetpack. So you have jetpacks. Guys, this is what I'm talking about with Web3, right? Crypto. You can own your in-game assets, right? So Cornucopias is doing it, man. And again, like I said, not only are they doing this in a pretty transparent way, but what I like most about Cornucopias is it should have even more attention, and that's where the opportunity is for us, right? So I would take a look at Cornucopias. I think it's got a really cool team. Guys, comment down below. These are some of the assets that I do own for the game. So I have different wallets. So I think I have like 500,000 COPI tokens or something across different wallets. But here we got a large land plot. We got sprinters. Man, I'm excited because, like, you know, maybe in the future you guys will be able to hang out in the Moose Dome or something. I don't know what we're gonna call it, but I am excited for this. So, guys, comment down below. Do you own any Cornucopias assets? Are you excited about it, guys? Use the link tree if you guys do want to pick up some of these assets, especially when there's a big sale. There's gonna be a lot coming in the near future. So all you have to do is use the link tree, go under NFTs, and you guys can check out different assets here. Okay, so guys, the market is doing really well this weekend. So we're only Friday. I think we're just gonna go nuts over the next couple days. So guys, with that being said, the moose is loose. We'll see you in the next one.